Hello, my name's Alistair Frew, and welcome to this webinar entitled Renewable Energy Installations, a Guide to Getting Connected. We'll be looking at a number of topics in this short session, notably some of the important terms and terminology in the renewable energy connections market, such as what is an NSIP, what is a DNO, what is a POC. To give an understanding of the application and connection process for getting your site connected to the grid, what is the grid connection queue? Does it matter? Do you need planning consent? Do you need listed building consent? Is there an interrelationship between the two that's any different from any other planning application? Does biodiversity net gain matter to a renewable energy scheme? And we'll have a quick look at some key clauses in a connection agreement itself.